Now let's face it, the credit repair industry is constantly preyed on people. Companies like Lexington Law Firm and CreditRepair.com have been sued by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau for defrauding tens of thousands of people. iMax Credit's history goes back 15 years when I used to work for a mortgage bank. And I used to come across people that couldn't get approved for loans due to very unfair credit issues that they were suffering from. Now, as I looked for credit repair companies to refer them out to, I didn't want to go ahead and refer them to anybody because none of them were trustworthy. None of them seemed to be guaranteeing what they'd say they'd be doing. So I set out to solve this problem myself. Now, I'm no longer the mortgage industry, but today at iMax Credit, I'm proud to say we have employees that work for the credit bureaus, that have worked for creditors, and we have associate attorneys that have successfully sued banks such as Chase, Bank of America, Capital One, and various collection companies to get accounts off people's credit reports to improve their credit scores. Now, our company is based on 4 core values. Excellence. We're impeccable in what we do. We take no shortcuts. Unlike other credit repair companies that just send out generic dispute letters, we, on the other hand, have a 3-step enhanced process that starts with advanced creditor disputes, regulatory complaints, and even helping clients file suits against creditors. We leave no stone unturned when it comes to helping you repair your credit. Integrity. We keep our word. We do what we say. If we can't remove negative items off your credit report, you're charged $0. And we back that up with a lifetime guarantee. So if some negative item was to come back on your credit report, we will refund your fees or help you remove that account free of charge. Compassion. Credit can be overwhelming, draining, and it could be stressful. Some of us, under the stress, may not have had a look at our credit reports for years even. Credit keeps us stuck in life if we don't address it. And I know this firsthand. Back in 2007, I went through a tumultuous time financially and emotionally, and I defaulted on hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of debt. Here at iMax Credit Repair, we support and empower people psychologically and emotionally by providing them the tools and information that they need to better combat the situation that they're in. Consumer goal orientation. Let's face it, if you want to repair your credit, it's normally with an end goal in mind. And that goal could be getting your first home, getting your mortgage refinanced, or getting an auto loan, etc. Now, for instance, if you were trying to get approved for your first home, here at iMax Credit, we'll come up with a customized program to get your credit report and credit score looking exactly like how a mortgage lender may want to see. And if you don't have a mortgage lender, here's the good part. We have a network of exceptional mortgage lenders that have helped many of our clients get approved for homes despite their credit challenges. Here at iMax Credit, we're just not here to fix your credit report. We're here to change your life.